Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are here with another amazingly interesting topic, which is how to share your Instagram posts and how to share your favorite Instagram posts on your story. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go directly to your Instagram app. From here, go to your profile. As you open your profile, just tap on the picture you want to put as your story. Click on the arrow, tap on add post to your story, and then click on your story at bottom left. Wait a few seconds and then it'll directly be added on your story. To check, just open your story. Yeah, it's added, it's done. Voila, you did a great job. So if you want to post or if you want to put another favorite post as your story, just click on the arrow button, add post to your story, tap on that and click on your story at the bottom left. Wait a few seconds. To check, go to your story. Yeah, see, good to go. You're done with it. Great job, well done. It's added. If you watched the video and liked it till the end, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below for all the notifications. It'll be a great help to us. Thank you so much for watching.